Hey, y'all, it's your girl Monique Dior, and I'm back with another video. So this week's video will be modeling content. I know y'all ain't got that in a while, so what we're gonna do. So I am headed to my first model class. I don't know what we're gonna do, but this is the model class, and then the photo shoot later next month. It's a lot happening, but y'all haven't gotten any model content. Yes, I'm still modeling. I'm the jack of all trades. So let's kick it to the intro, and then we'll be back, and I'll try and get some footage from class. If I don't get footage from class, I'll just talk about it after. Okay? Peace. Hey, y'all. So I didn't get much footage because we was actually working. So yeah, but that was the first rehearsal. It went really good, and y'all know I consider myself always a student, so I'm always learning, I'm always growing. I know I haven't arrived. I know I have so much work to do when it comes to modeling, so I know this will be a good thing for me. Hold on, y'all, gotta give me a call. A little piece of feedback that I got was give more face. So y'all know you either gonna get a smile from me, or you're gonna get a smile or a serious face, either or. So she just told me how to work on my more faces, more versatility. I can agree with that. I can definitely agree with that. What else? Y'all, just listening to everything that she has planned and upcoming, it's finna be so dope. And you know how you get information but you can't share it yet? That's where I'm at, y'all. I can't share it with y'all what we doing, but just know it's gonna be big. It's gonna be amazing. And I know that all of the people who support me and follow me, I know y'all gonna jump on the train, and I know y'all gonna support. So I ain't even worried about that, okay? It's hot. It's real deal hot. So yeah, there's that. What else? Photo shoot next month. Cause I'm trying to pick and pull what I can and can't tell y'all. But one thing I will say, Miss Rita LaShawn, I love her, how she's forward, how she speaks her mind, how, you know, I just like it all. I enjoyed her vibe. I enjoyed meeting the ladies today. It's going to be a good year. And I said this year I wanted to do more with modeling. Here it is. Y'all, Monique Dior is about to do the thing, okay? I told y'all, get on the train. Get on the train now, because when it take off, we ain't stopping, okay? So yeah, what else? Oh, so also, y'all, hold on, let me cut on this air because it's spicy. It's spicy in here. So, y'all know one thing about me, I'm gonna work, and I have no problem working. So, it's this company. They do like they look for brand ambassadors. Gigs are paid, and you just show up to different events and do different stuff. So, I have been signing up for some for a minute now, and I'm just like, I'm signing up, but ain't nobody contacting me, y'all. I woke up this morning, and the lady was like, "Hey, can you work today?" Sure can. Y'all, it's $20 an hour to be a brand ambassador. So that I'm gonna use this for like my little weekend gig, and I'm gonna just stack money. I get $20 for 4 hours to look cute. Well, not really. Well, I'm gonna look cute regardless, but to literally do almost nothing. Like, this job is for a wedding, and I'll be just serving food at somebody's wedding. And helping the caterer, well, not the caterer, but the wedding planner with whatever they need. And I'm getting paid for that. Y'all, I said this year it's multiple streams of income. I was not playing. Y'all, when I tell y'all I have so many goals and aspirations for just myself and for my company that's gonna come, y'all, it is a whole vibe. I'm telling y'all. So I was gonna use today just to relax and catch up on some TV and stuff like that, but I'm about to actually go find a black shirt so I can wear it to the gig tonight, because gotta wear all black. Find a shirt, probably go back home and straighten up a little bit more, and then I'll be going to the gig. Y'all, life's good. Just pray. I ask God to increase my income. Got my gigs on the weekends, and they have these things throughout the week, and whichever one you sign up for and they approve you for, that's the ones you work. You can work as many as you want to. So y'all already know, since I don't really have much to do on the weekends yet, whatever weekend I'm free and I'm here, let me get that job about you real quick, boo. So that's that. I'm not gonna bore y'all anymore. I'm about to go get me a milkshake, a cookies and cream milkshake from Chick-fil-A, because on Monday we starting this journey. No sweets, no meat, no sweets, no fried food. What else? No sweets, no fried food, no soda, no candy, no bread, no fast food. So I'm about to go get my cookies and cream milkshake right now. So you guys, oh, that crazy. I still got my mask on my arm. Oh Lord Jesus. Okay. All right. Settled. So I just got home from doing the side gig that I was telling y'all about earlier. We was actually basically caterers. Well, not caterers, because we ain't cook nothing. We were like the people at the wedding who be serving on the line. That's basically what we did. And it was a real good time. I had fun. Y'all, I absolutely love to see black love. Like, the lady walked out, and I was like, oh my God, look at her dress. And I was about to cry. I didn't cry. I was about to, though. It was just so beautiful. I love to see black people in love. I love to see us happy. The wedding, y'all, that was one of the shortest weddings. I think that wedding was like 15 minutes, literally. Once it started, it was like 15 minutes. Next thing I know, they was like, all right, everybody head over to your right for cocktail hour. I was like, Jesus Christ. But I'm here for it. I'm here for the short wedding. Say what you got to say, do what you got to do. Keep it moving. Give me the alcohol, okay? So, yeah, it was a really good wedding. I hope that I get hired by the company to do more events, because I'm here for it. Who's not down to make extra money on the side? Come, hello? So, yeah, it was a really good event. So, I left my review, and knowing me, I'm going to probably contact that lady tomorrow about getting more gigs with the company, because baby, that's easy. I can do that. Hey, you want some green beans? So you want broccoli? What about a roll? Anything else? That's enough? Too much? I can do that. Hello? So yeah, that's that. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna bore y'all no more with my little life. I love y'all. And I appreciate y'all. I'm not tired, but I'm just happy to be home. And, you know, so I can wind down. So, yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Be sure to tell a friend or tell 10 that Monique Dior is on again. Oh, I like that. I might have to add that in. Y'all tell me if y'all like that or not in the comments. Y'all know I just be making up stuff. I be coming up with stuff off the top of my head. Whatever. We're going to roll with it. All right, y'all. Love y'all. Until next Thursday. Yes, I know my nail broke. Whatever. I'm real ghetto like that. Don't care. Still cute. Until next Thursday.